afternoon. Welcome again sa atong C.T.U. Nadyan sa nato atong background music, then check sa atong ang audio. Good afternoon again. This is your man, MacB Crypto, for our 7th episode of this year. Again, ang atong C.T.U is with a Gcash na 500, no? By courtesy sa atong ang sponsor. Dili sa ubos, which is Hex Frenzy, a lottery where everyone can earn. So excited po ko na ni. And I hope again one of these days atong makaistorya ang developer of this one in the near future. As same ninyo no, I really don't know the inner workings of this one, meaning part of that one, let's say inner workings kumbaga how the play is being played. Pero sa how nasabtan is muruzag na jay referral, no? And ingon ko sa yung suggest ko pwede one level lang, right? So muna importante on top. At the end of the day, if you are tawag na ni, you are developing on Pulsion, everybody is welcome as long as makita nato sila, makaistoryan na sila, and dili sila mang scam of tao. It's very important to know. And these are the things nga angay natong masabtan with regards sa mga developers nga gonna build anything, no? Ang kanang mga lottery atong alisdan, di ba? Natay traditional lottery, right? Pwede na itong alisdan in the blockchain type, DeFi way of doing this thing. So, if you're just tuning in, good afternoon. Today is February 26, 2026, right? So, we are going live every Tuesday and Thursday, every 5:30 in the afternoon. Again, if you're just tuning in, magandang umaga, magandang gabi. If you're in the other side, magandang umaga. The American, right? The American speaking English internationals, baka umaga doon, or maybe early morning, baka midnight, or maybe late night. Welcome, no? For another episode sa atong mga marino who are watching, no? Ni Sir Ricky Beltran, sa atong mga kaubanan diha sa barko, no? Mayong gabi, mayong buntag kaninyong tanan, no, sa mga nagtanaw nato karon. Again, this is your man MacB Crypto. Welcome to Muffler Town. All right, ang atong topic sa ato ang as you can see kining na diri sa likod ba. Ay, ato sa tanaw ng chat, guys. Atong huwaton sa morning. Wow! Morning! I'm in Scotland. All right, Eurocon. Good evening. Good morning, sir. It's actually 5:30 in the afternoon here in the Philippines. Thank you so much ato mga international who are watching right now. I hope you will understand me as I am gonna speak in my native language, Bisaya, Tagalog, Waray, But anyway, I will be mixing things up. There, sir, if you are maybe a sir, right? Thank you. I think you're watching in YouTube right now. We are doing this every Tuesday and Thursday with my Tuesday episode at Eurocon, right? Correct me if I'm wrong this one. I have a very specific topic on that one. I have a YouTube channel also for the Replay Gang. You could watch my content over there about Pulsion, crypto, right? Crypto in general, especially for Pulsion. Now, for my C.T.U Crypto Thursday update, we are doing this every Tuesday, at 5:30. Guys, sa mga Filipinos are watching, pasensya na, I'll be speaking in English, right? Because we have a very special guest who are watching right now, Eurocon. I think this is your first time. I'm glad to have you on board, and I'm glad to be listening right now on our YouTube channel, right? That is MacB Crypto, the Yield Maxi, right? So welcome, and might as well, there sir, there ma'am, or whatever, right? Maybe you could like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You could watch our my previous episodes, my contents, as far as 2-3 years down the road. All right. We are doing this with a giveaway, right? I know if your con is a Pinoy. What is Pulsion? He's asking is what is Pulsion? Pulsion is a blockchain, right? It's a layer 1 blockchain. I don't want to be technical in here, but Pulsion is a public blockchain, right? Like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, right? Ethereum, we are a little brother of Ethereum. Watch, sir, as I will be delving into the topic, especially with the news coming from the Ethereum blockchain, in which they will be having an upgrade on quantum proofing, right? The quantum computing. They want to quantum proof Ethereum, right? And since we are a brother of Ethereum, any upgrades on the Ethereum side will just be upgrading it on the Ethereum side, right? So yeah, that is literally in a nutshell. Pulse Chain is a brother of Ethereum, and we are a public blockchain, layer one that is, and yeah, everybody can join. Everybody can if you're a developer, right? You can no permissionless, right? You don't have to ask permission from everybody. We are the founder of Pulse Chain, by the way. If you will be asking, is Richard Hart. All right. I stack ETH and many others. All right. If you're stacking ETH, definitely you'll be stacking also Pulse Chain, right? Yeah, I'll be showing. Let me share my chart, right? If you wanna see my chart with Pulse, we are literally on the all-time low, like days ago, right? On this week, literally, we're having an all-time low, right? You know the drill: buy low and sell high. This is not an exit liquidity; it's just a matter of perspective, right? I see that the bottom is in. I will be trying to explain what causes this all-time low of ATL, right? Anyway, sir, glad to have you maybe onboarded on Pulse Chain. You could literally bridge over your ETH to Pulse Chain and provide liquidity if you are kinda a seven or six figure um, a whale, should I say, right? And you could literally provide liquidity on PulseX, right? I have lots of content on YouTube in which you could see my previous streams. But sadly, I'm speaking in sometimes in my native language. So yeah. Anyway, this is C.T.U Crypto Thursday update. This Crypto Thursday update is I will be showcasing, or should I say, will be updating the Pinoy Pulse Chain community, right? So here, let me share this one. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, here, right? These are my shows. This one is CRT, this one is C.T.U, and this one is Pulse, Asian on Pulse with my brother in arm from. He's also a Pulsican and also a OG Hexican Asian on Pulse from Malaysia. So that is my kinda a short introduction of myself. And anyway, sir, you could watch till the end, right? Or maybe just be listening to the show while maybe you are um, having your coffee right there in Scotland. Yeah, would love to go there in the near future in the European countries in due time, right? Okay. Yeah, let's go back. Yes, sir. Thank you again. And yeah, I'll be speaking in my language, right? So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, sa ato ang mga kaubanan sa C.T.U Crypto Thursday Update, ang atong C.T.U is with a 500 pajikas courtesy by our Hex Frenzy na ang tawag na ni na sponsor. Let us check back our okay. I will click links and have a look. Thanks for the explanation in my language. Okay, cool. Yes. Let me, if you're gonna bridge, yes, here, very, very careful, right? Let me be clear here. I will send you links on this chat in my YouTube and my other SockMeds, right? By the way, speaking of SockMeds, I am live on my four YouTube, or should I say SockMeds, social media and X and Twitter and Facebook, right? Facebook pages, right? So I will be sending you links. I will having these links, right? Pulse. This is the main bridge, by the way, of Pulse X. You could bridge directly from Ethereum going into um, sorry, Pulse Chain Bridge. Sorry, my bad. Pulse Chain Bridge. Guys, I sorry. Sorry, guys. We have a guest from the Scotland, right? So let's help him in his first time to bridge some Ethereum, right, into Pulse chain. So I'll be copying this one, sir, and literally, yeah, you could check this one out. This is the main bridge that you can use, right? Um, then the other bridge, which is from that main bridge, by the way, will take you 30 minutes to bridge, right, from Ethereum or other EVM chains into Pulse chain side. And I think the best alternative also is this one, sir. That is Liberty Swap Finance. You could have a lot of stable coin that you can use, right? You could bridge USDC from Binance, right? Base, Optimism, Arbitrum. I know, no Optimism. I think Solana, right? From Base, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and Solana. So let me share this one for our who are watching right now with our SOCMEDs. Good afternoon and good morning. On the other side of the world, we have a very special viewer here right now. By the way, we have lots of tutorial in how you can bridge in, right? And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Indeed, these are the things that you can do if you're gonna bridge in. And let me show the chart. Right, let me show this one for your convenience. Dex screener, right? So as you can see, all right, there you go. So you can see we did have an all-time low. Let me check our WPLS, right? So I'm doing this, updating the community. Guys, sa mga Filipinos are watching right now, mag-English at ano, kay we have a guest from Scotland. Alright? So as you can see, I've been charting this one for almost, we launched around May 13, 2023. It's almost 3 years. Magti 3 years now, or should I, sorry. Well, we going into 3 years. 3 year this we'll be having our third anniversary for Pulsion launch. Yeah, right here, right? So May 15 or May something. May 15, but I think it's May 13, right? May 15 here, 2023. And almost we're going on our third anniversary this May 13, 2026. As you can see, we are really an all-time low, right? We didn't have this support level here, but we did have an low a should I say a lower low in here, right? A lower low in here, and we did have again a lower low in here. If it depends how you're gonna see it in here, right? So you have a we have a lower high, light lower low, light lower high, and we did have an all-time low back this week, right? So this is the weekly chart I am showing to you there, sir. All right. Sa ato mga nagtanaw, so yeah, I will read up and have a look. I'm all for buying. Been a great week for stocking BTs, and indeed, yeah, indeed, yeah, I think you could diversify your portfolio into other coins. This is a real DeFi chain. We have a lot of yeah, we have a lot of streamers in the Pulse chain community, right? Let me show you this one. This is a great way to start for you in delving in the Pulse chain, right? So, where is that thing? Influencers. Yep. You could also check plsfolio.com there, sir, right? Kind of a one-stop shop for your Pulse chain need, right? From validators into everything related to you could check this one out, right? So this one, that is plsfolio.com slash portfolio. All the other stuff much needed for you to kind of visualize the Pulse chain. You have statistics here. I could be sharing this one also, right? You check this one. So as you can see, gas, Pulse chain statistics, right? Bridge, validators, and all its ecosystem, right? We have the Pulse chain influencer. So I'm glad to be part of this one. If I'm still here, right? So you can see, just to show credential here, these are the influencers in the pulse chain blockchain, right? So I've been saying in my own language, basta crypto, MacB crypto, right? Basta blockchain, pulse chain. So these are the devs, influencers, right? We have the main dev, it's Britip, right? So I'm here, right? macbcrypto.pls. All right. So for that, and I'll be speaking really in my native language now. Are watching in our YouTube channel. Good afternoon. Let me check my chat in here. Yeah, some new setting perhaps the previous post has here. All right, maybe cool. So asara kaha ang ato asara kaha ang ato ang mga C.T.U na tayo 500 pa Gcash. We have a promo in here. We have a giveaway. I will be sending I will be sending 500 pesos, right around, I think, $5 more or less US dollar, and to my Pinoy Pulsion community, just to have a good conversation and have a very, should I say, inline economic incentive for the Pinoy Pulsion community, right? So, asara mo! Saan na po kayo? Ating mga C.T.U power supporters here in the Philippines. Good afternoon. Here who are watching here in Asia, right? In New Zealand and in Australia, right? And on the other side, in Scotland, yet we have a very special guest. We have a very, should I say, first time to watch on our YouTube channel, Eurocon. Again, good afternoon or good morning over there. Maybe you're sipping your coffee, right? So that's an awesome. That's how life should be. And let me go on to this one with our. You can scan our vouch, right? This is vouch, which is the liquid mining staking protocol on the Pulsechain blockchain. And we have also our main chain. You can scan the QR code in this one. These are our main website for Pulsechain. That is pulsechain.com. And we have also our internet money wallet. These are the OG wallet, right? I have this CRT, Crypto Restrict Tuesday update on this one last Tuesday, in which I was trying to compare the two wallets, which is internet money wallet, which are native wallets on the Pulsechain blockchain, right? And we have also the Pulse wallet, right? So you can scan the QR code. These are literally the portal, right? I know you have maybe lots of wallets, right? But I could recommend this wallet, which is the Pulsechain wallet, right? And we have also stable coins, right? We have USDL, which are native stable coin on the Pulsechain blockchain. We have INCD. These are native, right? True decentralized stable coins um, on Pulsechain, right? And there are lots more of it, like HexDC, like PXDC. And we have also the scraping of Ophir, like buy stake and scrape of Ophir. This is the first endowment token contract on the blockchain, right? We have also Hex, right, which is buy, stake, and chill. You can scan the QR code on this one also for you to stake. And this is the first time high yield, should I say, this is the first decentralized time deposit on the blockchain. All right. Asa naman na itong mga ka-CTU? Mingaw man da karon, asa na ka, maybe late, no? Talig late sila, talig mo pa'y pag-uli. Aha, maybe. Kahong bata, more or less, di pa po dugay nga bot, si Vika coming from school. Maybe mga around 30, so hintayin muna natin. Maybe we could have the first on the show, ang ato ang balita or update is with regards how come the price of Pulsechain is very low, or should I say on its all-time low as of the moment. There's a reason to that, because a big whale is dumping. So let's have CryptoSolve, which is a forensic analytic on this one. Now, diyan na ang ato ang mga kinakusgan. Let's go, sabi ni GLJ. Good afternoon, GLJ. GLJ, ganun, naatay mga watch till then, like, share, automatic na like. Ang atong mga matik, like, share, and wait for the comment later on the show. Kung ano sa itong gamiton nga, hashtag na pwede na to i-comment for this CTU. Alright? So next, first up, no, not next, but first up, we'll have the news or today update, right? We have an update on the Philippine Securities Exchange Commission, mga investment cam. Watch out on that one. We have also, right, from CryptoSol on why there's a dumping on this one. Ito po yung rason bakit po mababa yung price, right? So, CryptoSolve is a blockchain forensic analyst analyzing the blockchain, especially in the pulse chain analyzing who is selling and dumping, right? So this is the reason why someone is dumping, right? So this is the 555 is the guy mentioned in the original post, right? Who is looking to exit, right? He is dumping. He has dumped a lot of his PLS, PLSX, Hex, and DAI. Absolutely responsible for the 7% dump maybe 2-3 days ago, right? Oh, and yun na nga, konti na lang yung kanyang bag on this one. Let's hope na he could exit, right? The soonest. And the soonest, the better for our price chart to para tataas yung ating price chart, right? So he's been dumping. So this triple ETH guy come back dumping again with SPDI, PLS Hex, and PLSX, and has around konti na lang yung ano niya, that's around $500,000 or close to be specific 430k of assets left for him to dump or exit in the pulse chain ecosystem. I think this guy had capitulated, right? And yeah, nagkakapitulate na ito, and literally he could be out maybe the soonest, and he will be taking a lot of slippage since meron po tayong low liquidity environment in the pulse chain blockchain, right? So yan po yung isang reason po. That's the reason why we have a dump in price and going into an all-time low with our um core token, or should I say the native token on the pulse chain blockchain, which is PLS, right? So that is the reason why. So GLD, Jidaida, good afternoon, good evening. Let me check again my audio dito sa aking all goods naman. So this is the reason why we have a dump in price, right? So check muna natin. Let's go. Watching with you, GLJ, good evening, good evening. GLJ, good evening. So that is the reason why. Now, let me connect on this one also with Richard Hart, right? So Richard Hart had been mentioning, right? So there's a good news with this one. So we have beaten the SEC, right? There is a case, kaso, meron pong kaso. There was a case filed with Richard Hart, the founder of Pulse Chain, right? And he did mention in here that, yeah, the United States of government, he did beat the United States government in its own court, right? And they didn't drop the case, but rather they lost, and badly. Then there were been notices of tax allegation and on the assault allegation as of yesterday. Now, I think the assault charges from the Interpol has been okay na siya. Kumbaga, the assault charges had been dropped, and the only thing that is left is the tax allegation. Again, this is just an allegation of tax fraud from the founder, right? So I have posted this one with regards with Richard Hart's post with regards to this tax allegation. Again, there are 3 charges, right, with regards with the security offering of the Pulse Chain blockchain, in which we are been cleared. Ito lang po. This is one of the public blockchain that has a legal clarity, right? And the but the assault allegation has also been dropped. So I think, sabi niya nga dito, like, we are winning, right? This is the rock. It smells like winning. All right, sabi niya. So indeed, we are indeed winning, right? So it's quite interesting that we are indeed winning, right? Sabi ni GLJ, saan na ba yung ating mga viewers sa ating C.T.U? We have a 500 giveaways. Maybe late yung iba who are watching right now. Good afternoon. Again, this is your man. If you're just tuning in, this is your man, MacB Crypto. We are live with our SockMeds. For the replay gang who are gonna watch this one on replay, you could watch This one on YouTube on MacB Crypto, the Yield Maxi. If you're just tuning in, good afternoon. This is your man MacB Crypto with a giveaway of 500 Gcash. Good evening, watching right now. Again, paki-like, share, and comment. Right, natay ba ay dito, we have a guest, guys. Morning from Scotland, pakita lang to kanina. Tuning in from Scotland. Meron na nanonood sa atin from Scotland. Sabi niya kanina, he was asking what is pulse chain. So I was trying to explain to him in English, and I think he's an ETH guy, right? A stock ETH and many others. And I was telling him maybe he could diversify his portfolio into other real DeFi chain, right? And he was asking a lot of questions, right? I was trying to explain a while ago to him. I will click your links and have a look. Thanks for explanation in my language. Indeed, it is a pleasure. It is a pleasure, and it is really. I'm glad to have you on my YouTube. You're watching right now. If you're watching right now, yep. Big thank you to you, right? So indeed, sabi ni GLJ, BTC, sir. Yeah, I will be having the BTC chart later on the show. I will be explaining lang. So, ano mo natin yung ating mga balita. And speaking, yeah, later on, I will be having the BTC chart later on. Yeah, I think I would rather have na lang GLJ yung sa BTC on the macros. Gusto ko makita yung institution on the macro news on the macros, right? So, on the bigger picture, the big money that will be coming in, right? So, that will be awesome, right? So, Richard Hart had been positively posting with regards, we are winning, right? So, this one. So, the guy is really fighting for true DeFi, right? So, I know the guy is kinda a meritocratic one. He believes in meritocracy, right? So, personally for me, I'm also believing in the meritocratic things in which people who have done things for the community, for the world, should have the merit to say, or should I say the things that he mentioned should be heard. Not everybody should be heard, or should I say should be listened to like a democratic form of government, right? So anyway, so these are the updates in which he did mention, right? And speaking of update, he did also mention, right, with regards to LP. This is interesting. This one. So, hey, he was saying like, hey, LP providers like me, I am an LP provider, right? And I have lots of show of LP farming shows, right? So, sabi niya dito, hey, LP providers, consider bonding stable directly with PLS, PLSX, and HEX. I'm curious what the PLSX and HEX chart look like if they don't have the majority of their liquidity in PLS. So basically, what he's saying is we have to have the LP providing from PLS, right, which is the main native coin, bonded with stablecoin. And I do remember in 2021, in which we did bond a lot of our liquidity into a stablecoin and HEX. And look what happened to the chart of HEX. It was like having this parabolic move, right, from a cent to a penny, right? So from 25 pesos, right? So from a penny to 25 cents, or should I say 50 cents, right? So that is 2021, and we didn't have an all-time low. Meron pa tayong all-time low, right? So he was trying to explain in here, in which we have a fractured liquidity, right? From it's called Hart's law, in which two coins are bonded, right? Now with the other coin is bababa yung price, so they say the price of the other token goes down. What will happen to the other token that is paired or being bonded to that one? Will cause the price of those tokens to go down. So literally, you can see the chart of PLS. It pulls down, the HEX, PLS, PLSX, INC go down, right? So I will be later on showing you the chart later on. Ay papakita ko po yung chart later on the show, right? So yan po yung ating balita with regards with Richard Hart. He has been posting positively with regards with pulse chain, right? So yeah, indeed. BTC mamaya pakita natin. Sa ato mga nagtanaw, sa ato mga sokmed, paki-like, share, right? Paki-comment sa atong nagtanaw sa ating YouTube. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. All right. And the next on our news is with regards to the first. All right. All right. Let me share also this money B, right? So, share ko lang itong money B coming from money B, right? So, money B, money B. So, where is that? Let me check this one. I'll be sharing another screen, guys. So, money B. So, this comes from money B, right? So, money B has been posting with regards with Vitalik Buterin. So, let me do a TLDR in this one. So, let me summarize this post, right? As I was saying a while ago. So, let me share this one, guys. This is a Facebook post. Big shout out to Moneybees, right? So, they are having this OTC trade. Ibig sabihin ng OTC, you could buy literally on OTC. Yeah, you could buy directly to Moneybees, right? You'll not be going into the route in going into bridging, right? So that's a good thing with OTC trade, right? So you could sell with their partner, I think partner na mga platform in which you could sell, right? And they are a corporation and regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, right? So again, basahin ko lang ito, right? With regards with the Moneybees, right? So Vitalik Buterin, which is the founder of, or so they say the co-founder of Ethereum, right? Have this parang 4-year plan for a faster quantum proof na, as I was saying a while ago, quantum proof na Ethereum, right? So, he has this roadmap to make Ethereum kumbaga faster. Basically, what he's saying is from the 12 seconds into 10 seconds. Sa Pulsechain blockchain, we are 10-second block na blockchain, right? And cutting the transaction finality from 16 minutes, right, in base, more or less, 16 minutes to 30 minutes, right? And also Ethereum to like 6 to 16 seconds. So that is the plan of Vitalik Buterin, and to also to be quantum proof. Quantum proof, ibig sabihin po, hindi po siya madaling ma-hack kumbaga by quantum computing. So, ito po yung part sa ating balita. Ang maganda po dito, what is good on this one, ang nakanindot man good nani is once na I upgrade from the Ethereum side, since we are a fork, right? Since we are a brother, like we are a family with with Ethereum, Pulsechain can literally just upgrade on what is being upgraded on the Ethereum side. Kaya nga, we're having this kinda a joke and sometimes also a fun being intended that yeah, Ethereum is a testnet for Pulsechain, right? So yan po yung sinasabi natin with regards with ano. Hi, good evening, sabi ni Donna. Let me check sa ato mga ka-C.T.U. C.T.U. CRT Power Supporters. Hi sir, good evening. Sa ato mga nagtanaw karon, good evening. Kini ang injong kauban sa crypto. Basta crypto, si Macbi Crypto na. Basta blockchain, Pulsechain. O nalipay ko doon, no? Kaya atay, coming from Scotland. He's watching right now with us. It's morning di ay dito. Right? So, mo nang pasensya nag mag-English ko kay naapoy nagtanaw sa atong SOCMED, no? Duha ka book sa atong YouTube channel at the moment. So, please bear with me. So, nagbalita lang ko, no? So, he was asking about, so, imo na dyan. Di na po si King Don. Ang kinakusgan, the wise guy. Indeed, late na po. It's fine. Ato sang pataod-taura, no? Nga this budag hanta. And nakoy pa-twist later on. No? Sa ato ang pa-Gcash ka 500 pesos. Nakoy twist. So, watch for the twist, no? And guys, if you're watching right now, ang atong automatic, like and share, and atong comment is wait for the comment, ang atong masabtan, right? And later on po, also, no, ang atong crypto word of the day, or should I say crypto term of the day, powered by Bitsquela, right? Explode Pulsechain can literally explode. Right? Indeed. So I was saying with our should I say with our C.T.U sponsor, right? He did mention also by be saying that yeah, it is the first networking marketing member club on Pulse Chain. All right. Yeah, I think you could do that also, right? As how you could market it on. I think you just have a specific narrative, or should I say marketing on that one, right? Maybe he did mention it is the first network marketing. Sometimes people are allergic with networking, right? So especially with all this, so I just want to be specific on this one. They're kinda but anyway, not all, like for example, Avon is a networking, right? But I think they have a level 1 or level 2, but I'm not sure this one. Do not quote me on this one, guys. I am not a expert on networking. But anyway, he did mention that this is the first network marketing member club on Pulse Chain. How cool is that? And nothing crypto exactly like it. Nothing exactly in crypto is doing that. Yeah, that's what I think. That's what he was saying, right? But anyway, that's cool if you're gonna do that one, right? So yeah. And, uy, asa na ba nga itong mga ka-Power C.T.U? Where are you guys? Sa atong C.T.U na nagtanaw na ta karon silang Kingdom, silang Donna, right? Ang uban, asa ra ba to sila? Tiligway mga signal pa. So, anyway, let's get it on sa ato ang balita karong hapuna, karong gabiuna, karong morninga kung asa manggali mo. So, nagbalita na ko. Unang-una, I'll just have a short recap on this one. Nagbalita na ko with regards ng ang hingubos ang price, right? And nairason na because na ay 555 guy, meaning kanang 555, meaning kanang literally ang isang last 3 digit sa isang wallet, no? Nga is guy has been dumping mo nairason. But for that reason pod, si Paul ang atong founder sa Pulse Chain, which is Richard Hart, had been bull posting, no? Had been bull posting, no? With regards sa pag-pair, no? Pag heart slow, pag-pair with stablecoin, and also ang na-drop nga kaso ni Richard Hart sa Interpol of an alleged assault. Not true. Ato nang nabet na nato ang SEC, no? That's the second. Usa na lang ang kulang, which is the tax allegation coming from the IRS of the United States of America. All right? Kulang na lang, gaway na lang yung kuwang. Kung katanang miingon nga we are going into the bear market, ako po, mali po kayo. We are still going into the full-blown bull market, and I think this will be your first one sa ako mga onboard. I've been buying like 2001, 2020, I've been buying like DCing or PCing, peso cost averaging, right? For like 23, 24, 25, until as of now. Literally, I'm all nahurot ng hang dry powder, no? I'm literally been suckered out of my money, right? I've been putting my money in crypto, right? I know that ang kanang ato ang kwarta will be debased and being inflated into eternity and beyond, and we have a crypto asset that is appreciating in price over time. You just have a long time frame horizon as one, maybe 5, 10 years, 15 years, right? So you have to understand, dapat masabtan nato ning mga butanga. As Kobe was saying, Cobb Andre, good evening. Magandang hapon, magandang umaga. Sabi ni Cobb Andre, explode. Pulse Chain can literally explode. Indeed. Yep, that is part of our news, and ari na ta sa next ato nga balita, no? Please be very careful. I am very keen into this one. Nga naman, diri ko na scam. Diri ko nagsugod sa crypto. I was literally scammed. No, kay wa ko kasabot of what is investing, but from that didto pod, no, nahimo to na ang stepping stone of having this great understanding. Nakasabot ko, I have understood what crypto really is, right? So basahin lang nako. The Filipino, literally TLDR this one, summary lang ang SEC nag-post si Zhao public advisory sa mga cease and desist orders, no? Based on the community report. So this one guys, dili ni ako ha, dili po ni pangdaot na no, wala ko nang daot sa mga na-appeal na ni nga mga coin. Hawra ko sa og lista. But let me comment on this one, right? Dalang ko gustong i-comment with regards ng ilang mga terminology nga ilang gigamit. Basa-basahon na lang later on, right? So this one, so how to report the unusual scheme. I think kani ilang mangong gigamit no with regards sa red flags is an old adage, or should I say old, not adage but an old format coming from the SEC. May ta guaranteed. Agree ko na there's no such thing as a guarantee, especially in the short term, no? That's too good to be true nga interest rate. But in crypto, you could literally do that if you gotta do it right, no? So mo na ilang mga red flags. Passive income. Mo na yung ahos-ang anong kadiyot mo, backtrack lang ko no with regards sa terminology, where in fact there are literally passive income mga jud nga you could earn while you sleep. Tama magud pud na, right? Dili lang ka magpa-hype on this one, no? Siguro kanang number one agree ko na ni, but kining passive income is literally happening now. What are the basic example of passive income? You have rentals. My tatay, ahong tatay, my father have mga kumbaga he is into realty kumbaga. Sorry. Again, welcome to Muffler Town, right? Sa atong international who is watching right now, if you're gonna hear some muffler, mga iingay na tambutso, mufflers, right? Be very careful in this one. Kasi baka you're in a headset, no? Maybe your ears gonna be, right, makadungog mo. Where there is money, scammers will follow. Indeed, good point here by Cobb Andre, right? When there is scammers, there's gonna be, will be following also with regards with this one, right? But anyway, let me share this one. On SEC. That is big shout out to Bitpinas, right? So Bitpinas, it comes from Bitpinas, guys. Let me post this one on our chat, right? So on our chat, let me post this one with regards with our content. Kato ha mga previous nagsulti about Richard Hart, how nang gi-post dia sa unahan, no? How nang gi-post this one, guys. So how na lang ni ipakita, no? So how na nang i-post kini kang Richard Hart and also CryptoSolve katong gipang mention a while ago para di mo para updated gud mo, no? And kini pod ang atong post pod with regards sa Bitpinas kining ahong ipakita karon, no? So that is Bitpinas, in which mo disagree lang ko na nga part. I try to beg to disagree on the terminology, no? I agree nga dapat there's no such thing as guaranteed return. Ibig sabihin na fix. Sa amo, sa atong LP Farmers Club, sometimes 50%, down 30%, up 100%, right? Especially with LP Farmers Club, right? So, mo na dyan. But literally, there are passive income. There are passive income naman gajod, right? No? But, ang ano lang po nato nani, passive income, this is the right term. There is really naamang gajod term nga passive income. Ahong tatay is into realty. Basically, nami dito sa Masi, no? Just backstory lang. Nagdako me sa akong lolo gikan, no? Na jay pawn shop, na ay akong lolo ni adto kining pawn shop 5-6, no? Na-recording si Jaco siguro pud gali ang first nga napa 5-6 sa Maasin. Anyway, loan sharking which I beg to dili dapat inana, but just a backstory lang this one. Na si jay akong lolo was negosyante to, no? Na si Zay fee hernel, no, nga sakjanan bus from Maasin to Bato nga route matalom, something like that, no? Dili pa galito ang daan ni adto kanang lubak-lubak pa ang daan ni adto, right? Diha pakutob sa among cockpit area, no, ang semento during those times, no? And usap po sa isang big business actually malibin sa pawn shop and other businesses was ang kanang magparenta og balay, and it's literally passive income, right? So I disagree kaning nga SEC, no, na mga unusual scheme. There's nothing unusual with passive income. It's literally true. Tinuod man gud na. Ang kining ikatulo kaning recruitment dapat walay i-recruit. So kining guaranteed X ne, no, kining recruitment kining guaranteed correct na, no, sa mga unusual scheme an kanang pag-recruit. Dili ka kinahanglan mo recruit, right? And ang kaning passive income mo ni X para naho, no? Yeah. You could be earning while you sleep, and it's true, man, and it's true. I don't know with these people. Anyway, so how lang usaw-usaw, no, part sa atong balita, no, na ISEC advisory. Again, guys, if naamo na ni nga mga platform wala po nang daot, ahaw rap, and this comes from the SEC, no, Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, naay basis na ni, which are the 4 prongs of a Howey test. naay upat ka basihan. Meron pong apat na basihan para masabi natin ng isang platform o isang coin o isang token is a security offering. Meron po yung apat na basic is there's a money in a common pool, right? There's a money in a common pool with the expectation of profit or managerial effort from the works of other. No? There's a money in a common pool. Makita ko lang yung aking malaking mukha, right? Pakita ko lang para makita nyo guys. So, pakita ko lang yung ano ha. Vincent Fortaleza, good evening. Thank you for watching. Hello Doy. O sa ato mga tanaws, nagtanaw sa atong Sokmed, watch till the end. Ni Anan Uraga, ato ang mga solid supporter. Good evening sir. Good evening indeed. Good hapon. Good hapon, good evening, no? Sige, sa ato mga nagtanaw sa atong Sokmed, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Oh, ganina no, datay babalita lang daw dahil nagtanaw na to from Scotland. Siguro nagtanaw pagyapon siya karon sa atong YouTube channel as of the moment. All right. So sa atong we are live no, na late ingon ni Anan. Let me check sa atong chat before going back no. Na late ko sir karon kay nag full charge ko sir. Indeed, okay lang. Ingon ni Anan, highlight. Indeed, thank you. No, nag-post siya sa isang Facebook. Indeed. And nakastoryahan na po me. We have a small chat with Kataler, no? So maybe sa April magkita me, mag-meet me. Siguro ato jang invite maybe dia sa Viajeros and maghimo mig mga content, maybe a small collaboration lang siguro. Try lang nato how mga kumbaga test the water, no, na makig-collab ta sa mga kanang mga who are into entertainment, no, then we'll be sponsoring them. Maghatag siguro 1 sack of rice, half sack of rice, depende sa ato ang budget, no. So sige don. With regards sir, regards ko ni Ma'am Lore Herms, indeed Han, regards ko no, ingon ni Ma'am Donna Kubangbang, regards and rebound and regards po daw ma'am ni mo ma'am. All right, indeed. Sige sa to mga nagtanaw karon. Wat-waton sa nato kadiyot guys, then maybe later on we'll have our hashtag. So, ang atong hashtag karon is kini guys, magsuwat sa ko ha. So, ang atong hashtag karon guys is kining this one. All right. Kini atong hashtag karon. Kadiyot lang. Let me check no atong hashtag, ako lang i-check no. By the way, kini atong C.T.U is sponsored by Hex Frenzy. Alright. So kini dapat ang ato ang gamiton nga hashtag. Nata medyo daghan na ang nagtanaw karon, aho nang i-post ang atong hashtag karong hapuna. Alright. By the way guys, bag-o na ang ato ang Pulse Chain Philippines no. Ang bagong term is DeFi Builder na. Muna nga no. Ayaw makatingala sa nag-follow sa page sa Pulse Chain Philippines. It's now DeFi Builder. So paki-hashtag no, let's post it guys sa ato ang mga Sokmed no, sa atong Facebook. If you're watching on YouTube, at might as well be joining right our pag-giveaways this afternoon. If you are international, siguro I could send you crypto if you're gonna win this one. If you could do some hashtagging, which is DeFi, that's the hashtag, no? Paki-comment, hashtag DeFi Builder. DeFi Builder. Mao na bagong name po sa Pulse Chain Philippines, guys. Dali ba tingala mo? Right? Ingon ni Ma'am Donna. Thank you so much, Don. Indeed. Happy wedding anniversary ninyo duha ni Ma'am Lori. Thank you so much. Salamat, Don. Yeah, medyo cheesy ko on that one or cringy ko on posting. But anyway, thank you so much. Sabi ni DeFi Builder, hashtag Pinoy DeFi. Sige, we can do that I think. But anyway, maybe na sa susunod. But I think we have the DeFi Builder and hashtag Pinoy excuse me, Pinoy Builder. Sige, nag-post na si Donna no of DeFi Builder. Indeed. Sige. And natay pa twist sa para mayong why ano. Nay duha ka platform atong gamiton. Ako umong isuwat no sa ruleta, anakoy pa twist after the ruleta. King Don, thank you, no? DeFi Builder. Indeed, ingon ni Vincent Fortaleza, DeFi Builder. Then, I know you guys had been liking it. Maybe nag-heart pod mo, nag-share, nag-comment. Please, pod ko no, pakibutang siguro ang highlight, no? Gibuhat pod ni Ann. Ayo lang na ninyo kanunay gamita. And I was, nagbasa-basa ko nga medyo ma-irritate po ng uban nga magsigig highlight kay ano man. Ay lang kanunay ninyo gamita ang highlight. Thank you so much na ni Ann sa pag-highlight, no? Kay murugag isabuwag ka or i-inform no ang Facebook about i-highlighted na post, right? But anyway guys, if you can do that, pag-delete na part sa ato mechanics, if you can do that, I think that would be awesome, no? Sige. So mabalik na no? So naay 4 prongs para makaingon ta nga kung sa kabutang is a security offering. Unang-una, there's a money, na kwarta, and a common pool. Dapat naaning upat para makaingon ta nga kung sa kabutang is a security offering na money in a common pool, no? Labi na og dili na ka maka-access on that one, dili na pwede mahitabo sa DeFi platform, no? Mabitaw na ang DeFi platform is not a security offering. Napatunayan na has been proven that the DeFi Pulse Chain, Blockchain, PulseX, no, Hex, PLS, and PLSX are not security offering since we are not having these 4 prongs, no? Again, meron na pong ano dyan. I have posted this one. I have a video on this one, a content being done on this one. It was I think a news that I have done, right? In which I did mention, sinabi ko po doon that the founder, the Pulse Chain community have beaten the SEC, no? Meron po tayong amicus brief on that one, right? So, hindi po security offering. The Pulse Chain blockchain is not a security offering. Kaya nga, hindi po pwede tayo kasuhan ng SEC, especially dito sa Pilipinas. Right now, we have beaten the SEC, no? Natalo po natin. Hindi po tayo, let me be clear, hindi po tayo nag-settle, no? Nag-fight po yung ating founder sa Richard Hart, no? Ning fight sa Richard Hart, no? Ning file of case ay na-file the case, idyang gitubag ang kaso. He did file a case and won against the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission of America, and he won. Ang kanang ubang like kung sa may nag-settle, like XRP nag-settle, and other ubang pa mga DeFi or should I say mga other tokens or they say mga layer 1 ang ahong nasabtan XRP settle and other no nga nagsettle Binance no si CZ na priso gali ito si Ja no and during the Trump administration si Ja tagaan si Ja, he was giving a pardon, no? So usa lang na BTC, Ethereum and Pulse, these are only the 3 tokens or should I say layer 1 blockchain or coins who has legal clarity, right? So, sabi dito ni Jeneline Tupa Uraga, uy, natay mga bago. Hello, sir. LL Jen, good evening. Thank you so much. DeFi Builder Ayos. Thank you. Good thing that our empowerment builder naggustuhan niya yung ating hashtag, no? Indeed, thank you so much. Sabi niya, hashtag DeFi Builder, sabi ni DeFi GLJ, sana yung pasensya na, no? Pasensya na po, minsan late yung lumalabas sa aking chat. So after this one, doon pa po ako nagko-comment guys kasi I'm a one-man team, right? So sabi dito ni GLJ DeFi Builder, no? Sabi dito pala, basahin ko lang ito, sabi ni Empowerment Builder which was no, Pulse Chain Philippines. By the way, people, no? Pulse Chain Philippines changed name to Empowerment Builder today. Indeed, sabi niya. Indeed, sinabi ko 'yon. Sabi ni Empowerment Builder naman dito, Hex, PLS, PLSX is the only crypto in reality that has won and has clarity. Yes, I was mentioning a while ago. Ito lang po. Kaya sa ating LP farmers, we are very safe on this one. Right? Kasi mayroon na nga. This alone is big, huge. Indeed. Go, guwapo. Bindot ang i-comment, no? What he said. Indeed. Sabi ni, indeed. Thank you. Jen, gusto ba kag ma-appeal sa amuhang chat ni Jeneline? Tinglig igagaw igagaw siguro ni Anan Oraga. Let me know kung okay ka nga ma-appeal ka sa among group chat para makabalita lang ko no. Why why ano karon wa tay ano kaning wala tay stream kay why signal or burn out no, so mo nang naghimo ko group chat, then makapakasabot po ko, maka-update ko nila with regards sa crypto. So usa ka bagsakan lang with regards sa information no. So sa ato mga nagtan-aw sa atong mga SOCMED karon, good evening, good morning, right? Sa ato ang bisita ganina, ipakita lang nako, I'm very very proud no. Nga datay balita ganina, I'm so ano kumbaga so humbled no nga naday makakita nato as I was saying around the globe no. Scotland pa lang na, right? So you can just imagine going into Europe, right? And yeah, we'll be sharing this information, the knowledge, the know-how that now we have a pulse chain community. He was asking no, nangutana sa kanina guys sa mga nagtan-aw nata ko sa pulse chain. So you can just imagine the guy could be a whale, right? So he was saying I was talking ETH, no? So that is good. And he was saying put also ganina nga he's gonna try to click the links. Now I don't know if friend po ni mo kom. Not sure, Andrew, if this is a friend of yours. He comes from Scotland, sabi niya. So indeed ingon ni An-An, tanaw sa ta sa tong chat no. Ako igsoon sir. Indeed ang imo igsoon, ang isang oraga is ang imo is you, right? So sa ato mga tanaw sa SOCMED, so balik lang ta sa atong topic guys. So let me share this one. So nang gi-explain no na dapat na anang upat. So halang basaho no, ana na ta going na ta sa atong 1 hour mark. So this hour no, basaha lang ninyo guys no. How lang i-post ni no ang link by the way sa no, how lang i-post ang link with regards na nahong i-post na tanan sa ato ang mga SOCMED nga mga balita, dili ni heresy no, dili ko nagtumo-tumo no. I'm here to help you guys kini sa Bitpinas, right? So how lang basahon usaw-usahon na lang na guys para madali ta. So mao ni ang mga naay gi-flag no sa Securities Exchange Commission diri sa Pilipinas kaning MAD no. So January 7 naay Valturo Spartan Consultancy Corporation January 7, VT Markets January 7, FBS no, FBS Philippines, FBS Markets Broker, Trading Broker, Forex Trader January 8, Ayala Investment AR or Infinex January 9, kini LS, KBX, KBSX Exchange, KBXX Exchange, kanitanan Humanitarian Organization, Cebu SDX Exchange. We have the Interactive Brokers, no? Careful in this one. Fidelity Capital Investment. Amerika na gali ni siguro ni, right? If I'm not mistaken in this one. Kung tinuod man gali ni. But siguro dili lang, no? Dada deres kilid, no? Dili siguro ni guys. Dili ni ang Fidelity na Amerika. January 26, 2026. We have the Basics and Organic, no? We have the BG Wealth Sharing Limited. January 2, 2026. We have Shonsi Holdings, we have Paru-Paru Kushiro, Machi Thoro, Facebook account, Madrigal Solar Farming, no? So February 4, 2026, we have the Trade Expert, no, ni Angelito Harina. February 6, 2026, we have GRL Quarta Trading Co. February 9. Talig na mo yung nasabtan na ni na mga company nga naa dinhi no, very very careful no. MTSN International, OPX Franchising International, all these things tanawan ninyo guys. San Carlos as its sole incorporator with Meriel June Flores Serdan, Elmer Gabayano and Verian Lance Loreno Enrile as his business partners, and Shirley Shen Noledo as an agent representative of Lex Franchising, MTSN and LevX. You have Tagalogex AI Limited, no? We have Seagull Alliance from Riskcoin, medyo nakakita ko na ni. Dahil gamay kay dapat sa community, syempre ang community ning support no, ning sila. Kumbaga naa sila syempre kay naman sila investment on this one sa ilang community, ning react pud sila no from the Riskcoin. You have the Basics and Organic Co. Incorporated represented by Angelica Castillo Suarez, and Generos Pascua, February 13. You have the Kidney Corporation, no? Careful on that one. So, ang pinaka-last nila, ngaylang gitag, no? Public Advisory was February 18. Pakitaan po ninyo guys sa website mismo sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Big shout out to Bitpinas nga ho ni silang gikot. Alright? If you're just tuning in, good evening, good afternoon. Ako igsoon, ako lang basahon kang ano. Akong igsoon ako sir, panagsara maka-online kay bagong panganak. Okay. Sige, oy. Congratulations sa inyong bagong baby no, new bouncing baby. Namali ag US namali ang usa ka litra sir, mao na lang gi sunod mao man ang sa live birth. Yeah, indeed bitaw. Ingon ni An-An, nag-comment po si An-An nga Mariza Ibanez Matagina from Tubaon. Welcome sila no ni Marisa nga makadaog pud na. This is open to everybody, wa tay pilion. Ni Ronnie Valencia Ampong, indeed welcome ni Ronnie Valencia Ampong no, welcome. Kung gusto ninyo mga appeal on this one. So muna itong balita, ari na ta sa chart guys. Chart na ta. So ari na ta sa tong chart. So naing request nga pwede ba ang BTC no? Ipakita sa nato ang price update no sa ato ang daily update hapon ning i-post ganina with regards sa daily update, price update sa ato ang wrap pulse no. So sa atong wrap pulse, it is up 5.7%. Sa atong pulse chain peacock no, it is up 6.8%. Vouch is up 5.8%. Ang VPLS is up 5.5%. Ang atong PLSX or ang ang atong incentive token or INC, it is up 6.6% on the 24-hour or daily no. And ang atong HEX is up 7.2%. And Pulse X is up 3.4%. So mula na guys, ato lang ning dalion karon no. And ari na ta na-share ba na ako kanina ang ato ano? Let me check. Alright. King Don, salamat sa pag-share, King. Like lang ko, no? Neria Luz Gay Silidio, thank you so much, ma'am, sa pag-like, no, sa atong post karong hapuna. Thank you, ma'am, sa atong mga kaubanan diya sa Deep Ed, no? Good evening kaninyong tanan. Alright, ni Donna or watching right now. Good evening. So, we're still live, no? Okay, ako na-share. Nag-delay di ay, no? Okay. Ay ni Ronnie Oraga na unsa man naman sad ni. Siya ato sa igo ni ano ganina. Ato lang ano ni mga bag-o nato no. Ni Mary Ann Kasaysayan, ni Ronnie Valencia, ingon ni Ronnie nag-comment na siya telling na tag ka sir no. Nag-replying no ni An-An Oraga na unsa naman sad ni. Yeah, indeed this is MacB Crypto no sa ato ang should I say C.T.U. Crypto Thursday update no, in which mag-update ko sa community no ni Ronnie Valencia Ampong. Sir, good evening, good afternoon, good morning no. Yeah, naatay C.T.U. with a 500 nga pa Gcash on this one, right? So ipakita lang nato ang chart no. Tan-aw dire kanay para full ingon ni An-An no. Tan-aw dire naay para full comment og B5 builder, indeed. So sa atong sa ato ang chart, right? Pakita lang nato atong chart for this afternoon. So arita sa kinahing request atong BTC chart, right? So kadiyot lang ni guys, then mag-ano na ta. So sa BTC chart, ang masasabi ko lang dito GLJ, magtatagalog po ako ngayon, right? So ito yung po yung BTC chart na ating na ginagawa po natin na charting kumbaga for the past years, right? So hindi ko po dinidelete yung aking chart, no? Nandito lang siya. But sadly on this one GLJ, dito po what happened was on kayong Epstein file na lumabas, right? Merong Epstein file na lumabas and it causes the market to be jittery and we did dump, no? On this one January 29 from around 89. I thought sabi ko nga dito sa private chat namin with Pulsing newbies, right, na I think we will be ranging on this one maybe 85, right, 86, or maybe should I say 80, have up to 100k level, no, maybe we'll be doing sideways. Now, sasabi ko lang dito, right, as you could see the chart in here, and gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo GLJ, right, we have to look this one on the macro. Kasi yung Bitcoin po is really holding the market, right? It's like the anchor of the entire crypto market, should I say, right? And it's very important to understand, right, that all things now, especially if Bitcoin gonna move down, everything of us gonna go down. Move up, we'll be going up. Now, I'll just be honest on that one. And again, this is not financial advice, right? I am not a financial advisor, right? So this is just me saying, right? This could be a possibility, knowing that the chart, especially with MACD, on this kind of things, it had a fake out on this kind of things, maybe going up into a recovery in the short term. Maybe we can move up, maybe we can, I would rather have it, we could move sideways. We could good up around 90 down to 80 and sideways before moving up into new all-time high. Lang yan lang po yung ano, may kinda may TLDR on this one, or kinda may summary on this one, guys. So yeah, I would rather have this one move up in here, right? And we could maybe 100 and go down, right, on this one. Again, bumaba or may ubos ang price na ni because of the Epstein file. And sabi doon is si Epstein daw is kinda meron daw siyang investment, or should I say parang, should I say, yun na nga, mga should I say mga myth, right, na baka daw sila yung baka siya daw yung si Satoshi Nakamoto, which is hindi po totoo. So, yan lang yung pasasabi ko, GLJ. Parang TLDR lang one on that one. I don't want to be very specific on the details on this one na parang, you know na, yung closing of the candles, no. Hindi po gumagawa ako ng ganon, but rather on the macros, no. I can zoom out on things, right? I think we did have bottom on around 50, right? So, look at this price. We did bottom around this level, right? I think we have bottom around 57 or close to 58,000 US dollars on this one. That is on, should I say, February 6 of this month, right? And we did have a run up on this one, and I think we could have a floor price on this level of around 62 or 60 level, and might as well be going up on this one. Now, if you understand, if Bitcoin is gonna go up, BTC is gonna go up, then automatic Pulse will be going up, Pulse X will be going up, Hex will also be going up, right? So yan lang po yung aking masasabi on this one, GLJ, since nag-request po kayo ng parang ang tawag dito, parang should I say parang TA on this one, technical analysis, right? So yan lang po yung masasabi ko tungkol po dito with regards with this chart on tawag dito, on BTC, right? So yan lang po. Maybe this we could have bottom. If we could have, right, go down to 50, I think ako po, that would be awesome, right, on this level 50. That could be the absolute bottom for me, and I think there are so many buy orders on this level, right? And I think on the short term, we could have a run up on this one. I would rather have it, maybe we could go up 90 level, right, on the 90, around 986, right, and maybe we can go 100. Then ito yung sinasabi ko, I have done this and moving sideways on this one, and before going on the all-time high, maybe second quarter, third quarter of this year. Again, that is just me. That is just my opinion. You don't have to, that is not financial advice, right? So that is just me sharing my chart, right? So that's it, siguro, on that one. If you're just tuning in, this is your man, MacB Crypto Chart Analysis. Indeed. So thank you, sir. At followers, sabi ni An, right? Tanawa dire makadaog Karoni Valencia Ampong, how na nang nabasa. Chart analysis, sabi ni GLJ. Yep, indeed, that is my chart analysis on that one, GLJ. Kung hindi mo narinig or naputol man or naputol po, you could watch this one on YouTube, right? And sabi, think Richard Hart, sabi ni Empowerment Builder, is moving us away from the normal cycle. And now he converted to USD value LP, easy up regardless of market for Hex. Indeed. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, a while ago, I was thinking about, ito po yung part sa aking balita. Mo na yung balita kanina with Richard Hart, no? So, I think this is a good day for us. Congratulations, sir. Nanonood, congrats naman kaan. Indeed, anyway, I don't know. But anyway, paki hashtag no sa gustong mo-appeal nila Ronnie. You could be part on this one also. Sige, ato na lang dali ni guys. So, kaya na nata sa 1 hour and 13 minutes, no? And ipakita lang nato ang chart sa atong HEP cryptos, right? So, di ara, as I was saying, no, I think we did have a price recovery in this one. Sa ato ang we did have an all-time low on this. It is up 508 ang yung ating main coin, or should I say yung ating PLS, which is the native coin on the Pulse chain blockchain, right? So ito po yung chart natin. We did have a price recovery on this one, or should I say an all-time low of around estimated of 507769 on this one. So it's very important that we did have an all-time low on this one, and I think also we did have also a bounce on our RSI on this level, right? So it's a good bounce, right? So let me clone this one and put this one here, right? So as you can see, right, palitan lang natin to. We did have a price recovery, so as you can see here, yeah, move lang natin to, and this one. So as you can see here, no, makikita po natin on the MACD we did have dito, it's on oversold territories na. So I think it's a good thing na we could move up na from here. Maganda po if you're gonna PCA, no, if meron pa kayong dry powder, ibig sabihin ng dry powder na pa may kwarta pang palit, then it's the best time to buy if you wanna buy, no. So injo ng desisyon, dili ako yung desisyon, pero pwede ko mutabang like nila ni Kingdo, no. So kinipod ang ato ang weekly chart. Let me sa atong dalion na lang nato ni guys. So that's it. So mao na sidza. Alright, so this is the hex chart sa atong international. The international ni Eurocon, we did have an hex all-time low, no, that had happened this week. I think you're really in the good position, right, to buy on this level. For what atong bisita ganina si Eurocon, right? Indeed. Medyo gamay lang ta karon nga nagtan-aw, no, wala sila ni Ken, ang atong BFF friend, si isang asawa, no, ang katong kaluha, no, wala po diha. Nakita mi ni kanina, by the way, nakita mi sa ni Alipio nga kambal diha po ilang mami, no. Then kayon kog si so hagi po pangutada kay dili de gud di ay. So anyway, diha sila, diha po si Ken ganina, si Ken diha tong kambal diha mo gipost sa GC na mo, sa toy dahita po ganina si Ken murag with regard sa kanang sa fire, no, kanang fire prevention month next month kumbaga, or April, during the summer months diri sa Pilipinas, right? So indeed chart analysis. Yung analysis talaga is analysis talagang Tagalog, GLJ. Indeed. Sige, yung ating crypto word of the day. Meron po ba kayong tanong, guys? Yung mga balita natin is with regard sa mga chart. With chart, basically po, literally with chart, if you just gonna hold this one 5-10 years, on the short term po, it doesn't really matter, right? Maliban na lang pag trader ka. But I don't want you guys to be a trader type, but rather to be a investor type na tao, right? Or should I say a community? This community really is a delayed gratificationist type of community. We are not trading on the short term, bibiglang tataas, right? Pababa, ganon. So basically, GLJ, if you're gonna ask me, it's really as usual to increase your position and to buy po, no? I think that's the best thing that you can do, GLJ. And I think you could really have a price upside, maybe 2 weeks, 1 month with a Bitcoin, no? Hodlers win, indeed. Sabi ni Empowerment Builder, right? Hodlers win, Warren Buffett. Indeed. Good point there from Empowerment Builder. Alright? Siguro tapusin muna natin yung ating chart. And diretso na po tayo sa ating muna. So, sa ating criteria, nag-post na yung iba, right? Kinsa pa'y gustong ma-appeal, medyo gamay lang ta karon, I think, right? So, sa atong, let me, sa akin, naghanghang na po na ngahong, dire, guys. Ang ato ang karon, natay pa-twist, guys. No, natay pa-twist. So, sang ibutang dire, mga nag-post, no? Ako sang ibutang diri ang mga nag-post, right? So post lang nato. All right. Post. So dili na nato usaw-usaw no. So number 1. Butang lang nato. Dili ni ano no, dili ni according sa nag-post na si Jagad ang number 1. Ako lang ibutang diri number 1. Donna. Right? Number 2. Sorry. Number 2 is dili na to sundon si Vincent. Pero nanay twist ha. Duha ka platform akong gamiton. Tapos si King Don. No, King Don. Donna. Tapos ako silang i-segregate. Si An. Sorry. Number 5. Number 5 is si JJ, no? And number 6, katong si Uraga, no? Jenaline. Ay, sorry. Unsa na lagi ya? Ayos sa Jenaline. Tanggala po, tanggala. Jenaline. 6 na ba kabo karon ang ingapil? Tama ba? 2. Kapit natandog sa tigay. Madunggan ko. Sorry. It's fine. Don't worry. Ipapadaplin sa tong ano. Madunggan ba ko? Okay lang akong video dahil. Ayan na. Okay lang akong video. Indeed, hodlers will win. So sa ato mga nagtan-aw karon no, gusto lang na ipasabot nga natay pa-twist no. So ako lang nang i-share ang akong kini. Ang atong random picker. Can I join? Di pwede. So atong twist karon guys is nalay unom, no? Okay na ba tanan ning unom? Tama ba? Si Donna, wala na ako, Vincent, si King Don, si An, si GLJ o si Jenaline. Sila lang ba? Daghan ang waming appeal karon. Natay uban nga gipang comment but wala sila nag-hashtag, no? Okay, siguro I think maulang gyud na sila karon, no? Ang sabi dito ni Impermanent Builder, can I join? Di ka pwede. Bias ka. Insider. Hindi pwede. You can't. Right? Donna is still watching. Thank you so much, Don, for watching, no? Arita sa ato sang ano. So, natay twist na ni. Now, ang atong twist is kini, guys. So, para wa dyan maanuhan. So, ang buhaton is na may unom. Ako pong irulyo, no? Dili ko mo gamit itong ruleta, but kini roll the dice ko later on. Example lang ni ha, dili pa ni mo. So example lang. Number 3. Kung ika number 3 ka, for example lang ni, dili pa ni mo, ikaw ang mudaog. Alright? Example lang ha, example lang. So kung example ang number 3 si King, so si King ang mudaog. Okay? Sige, ato sang ikaunom para mo example inana. Katulo si Sazugyapon di ay no. Then, number 1, no? So, inana kunwari. Number 5. Inara may unong kabuk. Number 3, no? Then, number 1. Or, number 6. Or, number 5. Or, number 4, no? So, ingana. So, nara may unong kabuo kaming appeal karon sa anong, so meaning, dili na ni gamiton, guys. So, naiduha ka platform atong gigamit, which is ang random picker from twxpicker.com, no? Then kini sila adto na sila gajud ruletahon, or should I say dice. Kung sa dice ikaw si number 5, si JJ kunwari, si GLJ, siya po yung mananalo. Ganon, para fair po. Tama ba? Alright. Sige. Okay ba muna na, guys? Unta managhana ta. Good luck, guys. Indeed. Sabi ni dito, pakita lang natin yung mga nag-comment. Good luck. So okay ba muna na sa atong buhato, no? Na duha ka platform. Then kung ika number 6 ka, ahang i-roll ang dice dito. Kung ikaw ang mugawa sa roll the dice sa rough list, no? Then ikaw ang mudaog. Cool? Okay ba tanana? Muna itong patwist karon, then muna itong buhaton. Ingon ni Anan, God bless Dukon. Unta managhana ta. Indeed. Ako po gusto po kong mudaghana ta para pa ang atong ang sponsor mohatag pud si Jaha, no? So, okay ba tanana? God bless always, sir. Indeed. God bless po ninjoan. Good luck. Okay ba? Okay ba mo na? Sige, paki-comment ko o ano da sa tong Facebook, paki-inana po. Okay, sir. Okay, iyanan ni Anan. Okay, or paki-thumbs up kung okay mo na. Sige, ari na ta sa atong crypto word of the day. Alright, ang atong excuse me po. Excuse me po. Ang atong crypto word of the day is brought to you by Alright, ang atong sponsor is ang Hex Frenzy. Alright? Diri sa chat, balik ta. Spread the word. Sabi ni Empowerment Builder, spread the word. All we need to grow, share, mention, tell your friends to join. Indeed. Okay ko na, sir. Sige, ang atong crypto word of the day is kini guys. Ang atong crypto word of the day is, so, nagbalita na tano. Nagbalita na ta, Richard Hart. Just a recap, nagbalita ta, Richard Hart. Diha tayo from Scotland, nga nagtanaw, buntag tayo dito sa Scotland, no? Sa Scottish dato nga friends, Eurocon. Thank you, no? Thank you so much. A humbling experience and a pleasure po to watch. I think he's still watching on YouTube at the moment. I don't know if siya ba yan. Right? Di ko sure kung siya ba na gihapon, right? So, balita, sa recap, ang katong sa Bitpinas, no, nga naigipang post dito ng mga cease and desist order sa SEC, sa mga scam or mga na ay mga security offering na mga schemes, right? So Richard Hart been posting, no, and CryptoSolve nag-ingon nga na ay down price because kantong 555 nga ISGA has been dumping around $1 million, no, $1 million, no. And sa ato pong gi-post nato ang atong chart, no, and na ay volume by the way on the daily, no. Let me share ang volume by the way. Sa Rapples natay volume of around, no, na volume of around this one guys kining 202 million pesos, no. This is very important nga atong masabtan if you're gonna be part of the LP farmer. Na 200 million US 200 million pesos nga nag-trade sa Pulse, no. Sa Vouch na alan siya 18,000, sa Pulse Peacock na 9 million, sa Vouch nga PLS na 17,000, sa Pulse sa INC na 13 million pesos, sa Plus X, no, PLSX na ay 31 million, sa Hex na ay 43 million pesos ni by the way, no. So dapat masabtan ni. So kung ako himong LP farmer, as I was saying, ako na pong gi-inform ang community na sa LP Farmers Club. By the way, big shout out sa atong LP Farmers Club na aming meeting karong Sabado 2 p.m. no, diri sa among gamayng humble abode. Nasa 200 million pesos nga volume on this one. Muna nga atong tan-awon kung gusto ka mahimong LP farmer. And I think ang MEX po, no, nga official exchange, nag-post po about PLS on this one. I think that's part. Kaya neto man gud na lista sa MEX, no? Ang MEX is nasa presence diri sa Pilipinas, na community dari, which is a centralized exchange. Ilan yung gilist before, but ilang giundang kay dahay kaso. So mo na backstory on this one. Right? So arita sa atong crypto word of the day, baliko lang nako guys. If you're watching up until this moment, good evening, good morning, whatever you are, right? Ako na ning dalion kay medyo nalipong na pugtan-aw diri sa akong screen, no? Anyway, ang atong crypto word of the day is unsa ka ha? I-comment ni nga term ha. Liquidity. All right? Paki-comment da sa ato ang chat para maka-appeal, no? Sa ato ang kung dili mo comment na ng liquidity, if hindi po kayo magko-comment ng liquidity at term sa ating chat, hindi po kayo makakasali sa ating pag-giveaway this afternoon. Please comment liquidity. Liquidity lang will do. Ito po yung ating i-comment, no? Liquidity po. So, yan po yung ating i-comment, no? Liquidity. Alright, please guys, comment liquidity. So, unsa din yung liquidity? Let me try to explain ano po yung liquidity. Right? So, ibig sabihin, no, sa Tagalog or Bisaya, no, and English, basahin ko muna sa English, refers to how easily an asset can be bought or sold without significantly affecting its price. Higher liquidity means there are many buyers and sellers, making transactions fast and stable. Liquidity means fewer participants, no? Low liquidity means lower participants. I disagree on this one part, no? I'm very sorry, which can lead to price swings. Is that true? It's not true all the time. No? Kasi you could also have a big liquidity but small lang yung community. It could be done with DeFi. Practically with CeFi, they can manipulate this one or they can do this, right? So because it can be quickly traded on many exchanges, while small new token may be hard to sell without lowering its price. So how ning gi-open nga comment no ang kining liquidity kay very important ni nga masabtan, right? Kay nga naman sa liquidity, right? Kung imo ning tan-awon, let me check back on this one. Na liquidity, especially with ano no. So ako lang ning i-share ning nga chart, no. Let me go back sa pag-share sa chart, no. Liquidity is very important. Asa na to ni makita. Nag-comment na sila og liquidity, no. Oh, liquidity, si An po, liquidity, GLJ, liquidity, dana, kompleto na, I think, no? Si Kingdom, liquidity is very important. But, kining ilang i-post there is a crypto turn of the day with Bitskwela. I beg to disagree kining part na mingingon sila nga low liquidity. Why? Low liquidity has an upside on this one. It's very easy po pag price pump kung na low liquidity environment. That what mo na nahitabo lagi, no? Mo na nahitabo lagi with Hex. Mo na atong may sumpay ning topic nato guys previously, no? Sa Hex of 2021, 2020, 2021 which na low liquidity ang atong gi-pair ang stable coin with Hex price move up no from 1 cent to from a penny to 50 cent, meaning 25 pesos, no? So it was like millions and millions. There were a lot of millionaires during those time. Now, importante niya ito yung masabtan, right? You could see the liquidity. Let me share, no? Kung example na may bagong token nga inyong masabtan, please look at the liquidity. Let me share this one, guys. Let me share my screen para masabtan, no? It's very important na masabtan ang liquidity, yung asa makitaan. Ang liquidity is makita nato no dinhi sa part. Asa lang tanggalon ning atong graphics no nga akong gi-overlay, right? And makita na nato guys diri sa kung ito ring tan-aw no na ay market cap. Now, you cannot sell on a market cap but you can sell on a liquidity. Sometimes manggod natay mga influencers na mayon sila, they are looking up at the market cap kung sa kadak-a ang market cap. But sometimes there are market cap nga low liquidity. Right? So, mo nang kami din sa Pulsion community, we are not a proponent of market cap, but rather all the liquidity, unsa kada ka liquidity, matanawa na ninyong liquidity guys, din hinga part. No, naaray liquidity at the moment, no? Very small kaadso ang liquidity ni Rapples, no? At the moment of around 1.5 million dollars, close to more or less 58 million pesos. But I will remind everybody that close to $500 million ang liquidity niya ni before. Right? $500 million ang liquidity, or should I say, yeah, more or less, $400 billion before. Anay ko chart na ni before how ipakita, right? So what will happen this one? We are priming into the bull market, but be very careful also with this one if you're gonna sell dinagko. You should sell by chunk, no, ginagmay lang. That's the secret to that one. In a low liquidity environment, do not sell your entire stock, no? Ang mentorship, anha nila ni Kingdom, ang may tudlo na with regards sa community. So that's the idea of liquidity, right? Dapat masabta na nga part. So I think let's end that one and let's go back sa ato ang liquidity. Mo na meaning, no? Big shout out to Bitskwela, no? That is the crypto term of the day, liquidity, right? Bow down, you could easily buy and sell kung na liquidity. Now, na yung mga token, na yung mga platform, na dili na mo makitaan ng liquidity. Itong hangi pang mention ganina, nagipang plug sa SEC, dili ni mo makitaan. Mabotaw nang ma-plug sila. Maunang sa ato, sa DeFi platform, makakita ka why everything is online. Everything can be seen. Everything is trackable. Everything is very transparent. Gets? Okay. Maunang iyon ko, dili ta mahadlock with DeFi products. Ethereum, Pulse, no, Bitcoin, no? These are the mga blue chips for me. Nagets na to? I hope you learned something this afternoon sa ato ang mga solid supporters sa CRT, C.T.U. That's why we are very, very no, confident, no, with that one. Now, pwede ba nang kuhaon ng liquidity? Indeed, pwede na kuhaon ng liquidity. Right? We could plug the liquidity if we're gonna move into other strategy nga atong buhaton. Alright? Again, guys, that is very important to note and very, I say, educational nga atong masabtan from Bitskwela. Ato na connect, no? Nganong naay mga scam, kay di kita kakita sa liquidity, ngano kung naay low liquidity environment, it is priming, no? With Richard Hart going into all-time high or into the pump of pulse and the core tokens like HEX, INC, plus X, so they plus plus X, PLSX, no, ANC, VOUTS, VPLS, PCAC, and all these other tokens, right? Alright, sige. Sa atong chat, no, thank you so much, no, sa mga nag-appeal, sila tanan na ana. O sa man imong ano, empowerment builder is electricity. Wrong spelling. Alright, asa na ba rin ba? Nag-drop off na sila. Medyo gamay lang kita karon nga nagtanaw. But anyway, tilig busy sila ni Ondoy Ken, mayong gabi inon dyan sa Tokaubanan, sa Bravo Foxtrot Papa, no, sa Bureau of Fire and Protection, so sa imong asawa, no, sa imong kambal. Puho na lang po mo appeal, no, daghan ang medyo, shoot not daghan, but medyo gamay-gamay lang ta karon. But anyway, having said that, nanay lista na to dire. Tama? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, og 6. Alright? So, okay guys, so mag-spin na, dili na kong spin, but mag-ano na ko sa atong graphics, no? Sige, mag-share na ko sa atong graphics. Final na ba ni? Or ano? Ito na po. 6 lang yung nagsali karon. Now, kung ikaw si number 1, sino ba yung number 1? Pakita lang natin ulit yung ano natin. Pakita ko lang na to. So, sa number 1 natin, si Donna. Number 2 natin is si Vincent. Vincent Fortaleza. Okay? Vincent. Number 3 is King. Number 4 is si Anan. Uragan ha. Tapos, number 5 is si GLJ. And sa number 6 is si Jenaline nga Uraga. Okay? So, unom lang ta. So, napo tayo unom kabuk dire. Tapikas. Pero roll the dice ta. Okay ba na? Anan. Ouch. Wrong spelling. Sabi dito di wrong spelling daw. Sabi di tawag dito di empowerment. Sabi ni empowerment builder nakakatawa. Sabi niya, ouch. Wrong spelling. Yeah, indeed, wrong spelling. See guys, ato na niyon kay 1 hour and 30 minutes na talo. Dili ito patagalin na makadaw ka 500. Final na ba na Dito na ta? Okay ba ninja? Dito na? Kaya nag-try naman ko ganina. Sige. Alright? So, how nang i-roll ang dice ha? Kaya dito na ka dun Roll the dice, roll the dice. Ang mindaog, number 4. Kinsang number 4. Anan! Alright. Number 4 is si Anan Oraga. Paris Today Vincent. Anan, congratulations ninyo. Indeed, good luck. Oh, sige. An, ikaw ang daog, An. An, ikaw ang daog, no? Kay number 4 man ka, diya. Number 4. Tama? Number 4. Kini ang atong basihan, no? Roll the dice. Okay? Roll the dice. Tama? Oh, sige. Roll the dice. So, number 4. Ikaw ang nakadaogan, you are number 4. Correct? Okay, double check lang nato. Ang ikaapat is si Anan Oraga. Congratulations, An. Mag-send ko sa 500 pesos sa inyong GCash. Paki-send lang ko, paki-PM lang ko. Then after, you know the drill na. I-comment din sa atong chat. Or should I say sa atong thread? Or should I say sa atong chat? Sa atong Facebook na live na to para for transparency na dawat ninyo ang 500 pesos. Alright? Sige, ato sa tanawan ng mga nag-comment. Then later on, guys, mag-comment na po ko para mo reply ko ninyo naning tanan. Alright? Alright. Sige. Ingon ni King doon. Congratulations, King. Puho na lang punta, King. Ingon ni GLJ. Thank you kaayo, sir. Thank you. Sana all. Katawa. Wala kay bahay na ni Doy. Congratulations, Ati Anan. Indeed. Sige. Indeed, congratulations. Try ko na nato og mag-spin ta kasi makadaog. Try ko na nato. Sabi ni Empowerment Builder, congratulations again. Alright, si Empowerment, si Builder is very active karon no? Very active si Empowerment Builder, no? And naana tay sa atong C.T.U, no? Naana tay gitagaan tag sandan ta o 1,500 gahapon no sa atong chika. So meaning napatay duha ka C.T.U, ano po tayo 500. O di ba? Din sa atong CRT, Crypto Restream Tuesday, makadawag mo 250 pesos sa inyong pag-appeal. Then after din sa pag-appeal, makadaog mo og 20,000 for the year 2026. Pero gi-divide nato og tag 10,000, 10,000 sa June ug 10,000 pud sa December. O di ba? Win-win for everybody. Kadtong mga nagtanaw ganina no or should I say gatong gipang-comment, gipang-highlight nila nila ni Ampong no ni Sir Ampong. No, pwede mo makapil. It's open for everybody. Ni Marisa. Well, is 500 just for watching 1 hour and 30 minutes and makadaog mo. Right? Then makakatun pagadzud mo unsay crypto. O di ba? May tingin ko win-win for everybody. Alright? Ingon ni Vincent, madala mo ba ang punan? Mao na doy, kay mga Gcash. Bitaw, wa pa mo kadaog no. Kadaog na ba kadoy? Salamat kayo sir, makapalit na ko og cake sa akong anak karon Sabado. Ay, mo ba? Sige. Oy, happy birthday no sa inyong bata, Doy Vincent. Oy, manzo. Thank you, thank you. Salamat kayo sir, makapalit na kog cake sa akong anak karong Sabado. O, di ba? This is not a blessing in disguise. Shout out no sa atong sa ato ang tawag na atong sponsor no. Ato lang i-plug in ang atong sponsor balik guys no. And ato ko nang i-try po kung mag-spin the wheel ta. Sponsor. Alright, i-try ko na tong spin kung kisay makadaog. Try lang ko na to. Try lang ha, nakadaog na sa an-an. Try ka lang nato kung mag-spin ta dire. Spin ko na to kisay makadaog. Kung surtihon magdus an-an, try na to. Try lang na to. Spin, 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 spin. Pinsa. Si Jenaline ko nag-spin. But anyway guys, I think nahuman na ta no. Again, ato lang nang gitry no. Ngayon ang atong nakadaog is si number 4. No, kini si An-An Uraga. Again guys, thank you so much no for watching sa atong C.T.U. Ang katong sila ni Doyken o sa isang pares no. Hope na next time ug-uban si Cataler ato silang maka istorya si Cataler na near future ma-meet nato sila. That would be awesome. Mahong gitan-aw ang injang mga post. I think mga joke-joke lang no, mga light lang, mga pakatawa para buot. I think that's good. Ako seryoso, murag yin ang yang sila joker no, then ako seryoso, right? So I think it's a win-win for everybody plus a negative no. Opposite sex attract or opposite to positive and negative attracts kumbaga. Sige, na pa may gustong ipa-comment? Like Jesus disciples, go out and deliver the word of this Thursday's C.T.U. Indeed, get out the word out there. Salamat sir, salamat po. Anid, kung wala na mo yung mga pangutana guys, I think that's it for me for this this should I say this evening or this evening, gabi naman dire. If you're good morning over there or midnight or whatever. Again po, this is your man, MacBig Crypto. Basta Crypto. Crypto. Basta blockchain, e-pulse chain. Thank you so much guys for watching. Napay mga Ananoraga. Thank you so much for watching guys. Again, Again, thank you so much for watching. Let me do this again sa ato ang sponsor.